Hi, my name is Finn Nguyen from Lexus South Pointe, and today I'm going to show you how to use the touchscreen on the new 2020 Lexus RX 350. Alright, the new 2020, the info system got the new fascia look, our new GPS system. The new GPS system also has the 3D. On the new touchscreen, you can pretty much skip your whole pad. While driving, you can control by zooming in and out of your screen. Now, everything in this screen is pretty much similar to your old one. You can also select your map system. You can watch your compass, your music, your trip, and your front climate control. The new touchscreen is pretty easy to use. You can switch it back if you're not fond with the 3D. Also, the new 2020 RX 350 has the touchpad. Now, we are getting away from the track system from the old model. So the touchpad is similar to the new ES 350, the LX 570, also the LC. It's a little bit wider than the NX, but it's actually a lot more user-friendly than the older trackpad. The new 2020 also has 6 USB ports. You got 2 here, 2 in the center console, and 2 in the rear. Just like your old system, you can adjust the heating front climate control in your screen. You can turn the AC on and off. You can turn the dual climate zone control on and off, as well as the way that air flows for your heating system. Also, another really awesome feature for the new 2020 RX 350 would be the phone holster. Now, a lot of us, before, we don't know where to put our phones. They've added this in as another great feature for non-distracted driving. You can store your phone away. In certain models, in this particular area right here, has the charging pad. I believe it's in the F Sport 3 and the Executive, where you just toss your phone in there and it will self-charge the phone for you. Well, thank you for watching for the new 2020 Lexus RX 350. If you have any questions, please do visit us here at Lexus South Pointe, and any of our consultants will be gladly to help you out.